How to fix Roblox error code 279 ID 17 failed to connect on Windows. Hello friends, follow the steps to fix it. On to method 1. Check Roblox status. Open browser. Type Roblox status. Press enter. Click on official Roblox status page. You can see all system operational written in green. If you find written in red, then wait for a while until the server becomes operational. If you find green, then follow the next solution. Method 2. Restart your computer. Click on Start. Click on Power. Select Restart. After restarting, try to open Roblox and play the game. Method 3. Reset network. Go to Start, Settings, System, scroll down, click on Troubleshoot, Other Troubleshooters. For network and internet, click on Run. Once the troubleshooter is open, click on Restart the Wi-Fi network adapter. Select Restart adapter. If this fixes issue, then it is alright. Otherwise, restart your modem or router. Method 4. Uninstall and reinstall Roblox. Right click on Start. Select Run. Type appwiz.cpl. Click on OK. Find Roblox player and select it. Click on Uninstall. After uninstalling Roblox player, restart your computer. Go to the download page of Roblox. Click on Download Windows app. Click on File Explorer icon. Go to Downloads. Right click on Roblox Player Installer.exe. Select Open. Let the installation complete. After installation, open Roblox player and log in with your username and password. Open a game which you want to play. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.